Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy paste multiple column in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data set, and here I am going to copy multiple column. Okay, to copy the multiple column you just select one column here, just click on this column name, and you can easily drag with the mouse to select the multiple column. Then right click on this and here click on the copy and select the destination where you want to paste and just right click on it and click on the paste. And the second way you can use here the shortcut keys also. So simply select the one cell. So you can use the arrow key here also to select a particular cell. So here I select the first cell, then use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Then use the right arrow to select the right side column. Use the left arrow to select the left side column. Okay. If you want to select only one column on the right side, you just unhold the key, control key, and then just press arrow key. So you just select the column those you want. After that, just use the shortcut key Control C to copy this column and select the destination where you want to paste and use the Control V, and that's it. So this is a way you can copy paste multiple columns in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.